Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance binder day. I have $160 and 12 saving challenges that I am saving for my sinking funds. If you're new here, these are the categories here that I am saving for, so 1 through 12. So they just help me save up for things for wants and needs, so there won't be any surprises. So let's get started. I'm going to roll my 12-sided die, and we are going to 10. Dreamy Budgets is up. So let's go ahead, and we finished a lot of these. Should we just go with that one? Yeah, let's go with that one. All right, and let's get her a scratch here. So we got a 2, a 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more. So $8. So $8 is going to this one. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. See where we're going to next. 4. 4 is Mischief Manage Budgets. Oh, and these are these cards here. Some boba teas. Let's do this one right here on top. And that is 11. Oh, look at the little koala with her boba. So that is 11. 10 and 11. Perfect. I was thinking about pulling another one. Should I pull another one? Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, maybe not. We got the bunny. That's a little baby. And that is 17. 17, 10, 15, 16, 17. Put this 10 back and grab that 20. So, yeah, we put a lot in that. But she don't get much love. 7. 7 is the Humble Budgeter. Oh, that is our friends who she living her best life. And I believe it's a card in here that I didn't save for. Or did I do it already? Oh, there she go. You guys remember that one. This one right here. So let's go ahead and say this $20. And let me go ahead, because I will be like, did I say that one? So let's scratch that out. And say $20. And this is, like I said, the Humble Budgeter. Have 12 cards here. And let's put her back in here. Perfect. Where are we going next? 2. 2 is Bookish Mama Budget. Oh no, I forgot to put, oh gosh. I forgot to put one in here. Oh God, we've completed that one, I think, last week. 6. Soon as I think I'm like on it, I'm not. All right, we got Budgeting Introvert. And this is a nice little summer saving challenge. So let's scratch one over here. So it's like a scratch and a roll and save. So we got 5. Let's do 5. And let's roll here. And we got 1. Should I scratch another one? Or should I roll? Let's do both. Okay. I heard you. So 4 and 4. Oh, what is I doing? So $8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Put these 2 5s back and get a 10. Perfect. Next, we go into envelope 7. Oh dear, the humble budgeter. All right, so let's see what card are we going to do for. 1, 2, 3, and ooh, this is like is this the first card are we finishing? I think so. So let's see what's under here with her bags and stuff. Oh dear. 11. This saving challenge right here is gonna get you right. If you want to save some coins, get this saving challenge from the humble budgeter. So that is 10, 11. Because how much this saves? $500. So if you're looking for a fun way to save 500 bones, shop at the humble budgeter. All right, boom, and it's cute. Next we go into 5. Oops, 5 is this way. See, Steph's on a budget. Ooh, we get to do this nice summer one here too. So let's give her a scratch. We got the watermelon for $1, a strawberry for $5. So that's $6, 5 and 6. Let's do this one. A strawberry for $5. So let's put this 5 back and get a 10. Perfect. All right. Go again, and 8. 8 is budgeting for me. This is a new one in here. Cute little strawberry challenge, says $40. And let's go here for a 5. Perfect. And let's do another one. 2 for $7. Let's do one more. Let's do right here. And a 4 for $11. All right, $11. So 10 and 11, and that is budgeting for me on Etsy. And we're going to 1. I don't think 1 got much love. And this is Budget with Carly. And let's see, can we finish this one? It says 35. So we got 5, 5 for 10. I think I'm gonna stop there. 5, 10, or should I keep going? We can stop there. A little sparkle everywhere you go. I'll leave a little sparkle everywhere you go. 10. 10 is Dreamy Budgets again. We're just gonna keep doing this one and go here for $8. Just gonna scratch one since we did a bunch last time. So 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next we're going to back to 1. So I guess 1 wants to be finished. So we're just going to do the 1 here for 6. So 5 and 6. It's going to kill me to leave that 1, but I'm just going to do it. Just going to do it. And we got 8. Oh. So now we got 8. And that's back up here to budgeting for me. And let's do this one. And that is 3. So 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, Okay, that's only 4. Then I was going to get some ones because I done ran out of ones. 11. 11 is Mystic Budgets. Oh, that's this Saving Challenge book here. Carded and diced. And where are we at? We on this one. Let's do the diced. So let's go ahead and roll. And let's get another marker. So we got 4. We got 5. And then whatever the last 2 is, that's what you save. We already did 4. We got 2. Already did 2. And well, of course, I get the high numbers. So we got $6, $7, $8, $9. Do I have a dollar here? I do. And then put 2 5s. Perfect. All right. And that's Mystic Budgets. And we're going to 2. Envelope 2 is, oh, that's the one we don't have. Sorry, Miss Lindsay. Oh my goodness, I keep rolling a 2. 11. Back to Mystic Budgets. Let's scratch one this time. Let's do this one. Ooh, we got a star. Let's see what the star tell us to do. Let's get our instructions. Where are you at? So star. It said roll your favorite dice and stuff. Perfect. And we are stuffing $1. Perfect. All right, let's keep going. 5. Which one is 5? 5 is Miss Steph's on a budget. And let's scratch 1. I was about to say, please don't be $1. So that is $5. Watch all the rest of them be cherries. So that's 5. Let's see. We're going to envelope 4. Oh, how much we got? 5. We got 50. Yikes. Let's pick one. Let's see. Here we go. I promise I said it in my head. Like, watch this gonna be a 20. I said it in my head. I knew it. All right, so that's 5, 10, 15, and I'm just gonna grab another 5 to put in here. 20, so I can just subtract $5 from next week. So 5, 10, 15, 20, because what we not gonna do is IOUs. Perfect. Dang, that got a, I can't wait to count, see how much that just got. And I think this, how much this saves? 300. So higher numbers are expected. So how many more we got? Look, that IOU want to be right there. Okay, we still only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 9 more. Okay, okay. Worth the wait, worth the wait. All right, let's see. Let's go. You guys ready to see how much each got? So this one from Budget with Carly got $5, 10, 15, $16. Bookish Mama, so I'm gonna get you next week, I promise. Stuff and Budget didn't get anything. Is this one empty too? Lord have mercy. Oh, I need to do that one too. Mischief Managed Budgets got 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, $48. $48. And who is this going to? Me? Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm working on, I'm saving for a new laptop. So that is, we can wait. We can wait. So this one is Steph's on a budget. Got $10, $15, $16 today. All right. And then Budgeting Introvert got $10, $11, $12, $13, $14 today. The Humble Budgeter got $10, $20, $31. And then Budgeting for Me got $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. And then Beautiful Budgets Co. didn't get anything today. Dreamy Budgets got, hold on, gotta straighten this money out. Got $5, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16. And then Mystic Budgets got $10, $11. I think I only got 10 because I got that dollar. Lemon Ivy didn't get anything today. So that is my financial abundance binder, saving for my sinking funds. All right. And if you made it this far in the video, please give the video a thumbs up and hype this video for our family. Yeah, you guys are family. For our friends to join us on this financial journey. Thank you everyone for the love and support. Please subscribe to the channel and what what is going on? Please subscribe to the channel and remember to stay magical. Bye, Jills.